This is Sean here again from Wilson's Rathkenny Nissan. We're going to have a look today at this 2016 Fiat 500 Twin Air. This wee car is finished in Rosso Red, comes with a factory fitted body kit. You can see as well you have your 16-inch black alloys. This car is in immaculate condition. The inside of it is finished in the black with the white striping. You also have your Beats sound system, sat nav, parking sensors, aircon, and touch screen for your phone. This wee car has covered 33,800 miles. It can be yours for £189 a month. At the minute it's coming with a 6 months warranty, but we're doing a wee special offer on it. If you buy this wee car before the end of January, we're going to put 12 months warranty and roadside assist on it. It's a 1.2 engine, easy in fuel, a great first time car or a little run around. If you're interested in this car, you can give myself or Dominic a call or send us a message. Thanks very much.